We're just out on Catalpa this evening and gliding past some of the most stunning real estate you'll find anywhere in the world. It's Captain Elaine there at the wheel, and we're just gliding past some beautiful houses in Vaucluse, swinging around.
No, that's Point Piper.
Point Piper, I beg your pardon, Point Piper. We've just passed Vaucluse, and we're just round Point Piper. We're heading around in the direction of Rose Bay now. That's that one's called Sur de Mer, isn't it, Elaine? That one, Captain Elaine? Yeah, isn't it? Sur de la Mer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sur de la Mer, yeah. It's a famous house with quite a history. Was it?
Prix d'Amour.
Prix de l'Amour.
Prix d'Amour.
Prix d'Amour.
Cost of love.
Oh, lots of love.
Cost of love.
Lots of love.
No, cost.
What?
Cost.
Oh, the cost of love.
That's it. Prix d'Amour.
Prix
the
d'Amour.
price.
Ah, Prix d'Amour. Prix d'Amour. The cost of love. That's right. It's got a history. I'm not an expert by any means, but I know it's got a history. One of the famous houses of Sydney. It is beautiful, and I know it's changed hands a few times, but just very interesting. Anyone who wants to do some research. And we've got some other beautiful houses here, and how gorgeous it is to just have the sails up. There's no engine noise, and we're just gliding along. Our visitors from overseas there at the front of the catamaran, enjoying the stunning views on Sydney Harbour. The sun's going down. So we'll just show you here a little bit of the catamaran. So that's the beautiful indoor cabin. We've only got a handful of people on board today, but the catamaran will take a maximum of 30. It's registered by New South Wales Maritime for 30 passengers. Those big windows there, in summer we have them open. So I just show you downstairs. That's the iPad playing there. Just go downstairs. And we'll just show you there the lovely toilet, push button electric toilet on board Catalpa. Lovely bathroom there. So look, it's just so relaxing here this evening. Our guests are from overseas and they're fascinated by the real estate on Sydney Harbour, so we're just giving them a lovely glide around the harbour of the sails up. You can see the beautiful back deck area there of Catalpa. People dance here, and it's just a beautiful catamaran. The big hard top there. So if the weather's not fantastic, there's plenty of cover. This boat actually is all fully heated. In winter it's so lovely and warm and cosy, and actually those back doors there, you can see there, they can fold down and enclose the cabin. That's all beautifully heated, so it's very, very comfortable. It's a gorgeous catamaran, Catalpa. It's only barely 2 years old. See we're just going along gently today. There's not much wind, but it's just great not having any engine noise, and our passengers out the front are just very relaxed. They're loving it. They're just enjoying the views. That's the big front deck area there of Catalpa. See some boats there, the marina. So there's some magnificent houses along the foreshore. You can see there. I'll just go and have a quick look at those ones over there. It's like that the whole way along the harbour foreshore. even up the other end near Lane Cove River. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. You can never be bored. I'm out here most days of the week. I'm never bored. There's just so much to see, and it's just a wonderful harbour. You can smell the lovely fresh air, and it's absolutely fantastic. So I hope you'll be able to join us sometime on Catalpa. There's the website there, www.sydneycatamaran.cruises.com.au. I'm just going to come back inside in the cabin. I'm going to take a seat and just take in the beautiful views. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join us on board Catalpa sometime soon. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.